Hello everybody, today I will be teaching you how to clean your microwave. So, to clean your microwave, all you're gonna need is three things. You need a degreaser, some sort of a cleaning product, a sponge to clean all of the gunk and residue in the microwave, and some latex gloves, because you're gonna be working with chemicals, so it's best if you don't touch it with your bare hands. So put on the gloves. Prepare yourself for the worst and open the microwave to clean it. If you're wondering, this is not my microwave, by the way. This is a friend's microwave because I would never let my microwave get this dirty and ugly. Ever. Anyway, so once you have your gloves on, you're ready to go. Oh, by the way, you also need some tissues to clean off the residue. Now, first things first. I think we need to clean off the outside first. So I'll probably not use the degreaser for the outside. I'll probably use just a normal. I mean, why not? I'll use the degreaser for the outside as well, because why not? We spray a bit on the sponge, and we go to town. We clean everything. Remember to remove it from the power outlet because there will be consequences. Just rub everything clean off the dirt and shit. My friend's microwave is incredibly dirty. Goddamn. Clean everything. And don't be afraid to use more degreaser if you run out from your sponge. Now we can open. Jesus Christ, my God. We need to remove the plate that was in the microwave. I'm not gonna show you a close-up because it's disgusting. When we put it in the sink, spray some degreaser on it as well. And then we go to town on everything. Jesus Christ, man. My friend needs to clean his microwave a lot more often than he does. Okay, once you've sprayed everything properly, you can see I have sprayed a lot and it's actually dripping everywhere. So we need to clean. Now, to scrub everywhere. You don't want to leave any spots unclean. Make sure not to drip everywhere because this is a very strong chemical and any spot you don't clean is gonna be dangerous. Once you have cleaned everything properly, you can take your paper towel and remove the residue. You need to clean the plate as well. Make sure not to drip on the floor because fuck. Yeah, don't do that. This should be like a 20-minute job, depending on the severity of the dirt and gunk everywhere. But yeah, basically, spray it everywhere. Introduce some water into the mix while the degreaser is loosening up everything inside. You can work on the outside. And when you're done with the outside, you get the paper towel. And it's stuck in between the cracks of the door, man. Clean, man! And now we go on the inside. I have sprayed a lot in there. So now I'm gonna be scrubbing some more. I think I overdid it with the chemical. Okay, the degreaser is doing his job. Definitely degreasing. Okay, I have lifted the microwave. And now it's gonna be easier to clean. The fucking door slamming me in the arm. So once you think you're done, you need to remove everything. You need to remove all of it with a paper towel. And if you need more cleaning, you clean more. Now that you're done with the scrubbing, you get your toilet paper and you start going to town. Shove that shit in there and start removing the foam. Okay, it's looking better already. Clean as much as you can, absorb as much as you can from the chemical, and throw it away. I cannot emphasize it enough. This is toxic to you. So you should not fuck around with this. Use gloves. Realistically, you should probably use like a towel or something. Maybe not toilet paper, but that's all I have right now. You need to remove everything before using it again because this, again, is a chemical. If you don't want your food to taste like degreaser, it's best to clean everything. I'm gonna go in with a scrubber just so I know everything is clean. Now that we're done with the degreaser, I'm gonna take like a window cleaner because why not? This particular window cleaner has alcohol in it. Good. It's good for cleaning windows and stuff. I don't know about microwaves, but we'll find out. Oh, you hear that sound? The sound of a clean microwave. If you're gonna do this, do not use toilet paper because this is cancer. I think we're just about done. You can see, it's pretty much clean. It took like 20 minutes, I think. And we're done. It took 25 minutes. My friend is gonna be very happy with the outcome. I'm gonna remove my gloves. Jesus. Make sure not to touch them, by the way, because they have all kinds of chemicals on them. Also, you should wash your hands immediately. I completely forgot that these exist. You can use one of these instead of toilet paper. Yep. Once you're done, your microwave should look like this. Pretty clean. You fucking bitch. There we go. That's clean if I've ever seen it. Everything is clean. Thanks for watching this cleaning tutorial. If you like it, leave it a like. If you wanna see more, leave it in the comments. I'm gonna go talk to my friend because he should never leave his microwave to get this dirty, ever. Bye.